Since 2001, GIV Solutions has driven exceptional success across industries with innovative, award-winning management solutions, transforming infrastructure operation and maintenance, and asset-intensive enterprises into the future. GIV's holistic solution is the essential smart digital brain that empowers the entire organization and every role player. Our cutting-edge solutions have been revolutionizing a wide array of sectors, from smart cities and transportation infrastructure to campuses, healthcare, real estate, and utilities. We help organizations prosper by controlling costs, enhancing resilience, promoting sustainability, and achieving goals. Our solution accurately collects, generates, processes, optimizes, and analyzes data, issuing alerts and enabling autonomous predictive analytics, proactive decision-making, and report generation. By creating a coherent digital process, it enhances data-driven decisions, streamlines operations, and allows all stakeholders to cooperate in harmony. GIV Solutions reduces financial and safety risks while ensuring compliance with governance and standards, promoting customer satisfaction and operational excellence. From project planning and system design through integration, implementation, and assimilation to ongoing support, GIV provides full lifecycle project execution, guiding its customers every step of the way, end-to-end as a trusted partner. GIV Solutions, transforming you into the future.